Hi guys, so on this question we're going to be solving binomial theorem. So we're going to solve these two questions. So the first question says expand 2x minus 3y all cubed. So this is the formula that you're going to use, the binomial formula. So in this case, this is the same as a plus, so it should be a plus instead of a minus. See, on this one you've got a minus between the two values, so we're gonna say open bracket and put a minus there, minus b. Okay, then close the bracket, you say to the power n. So basically your a will be equals to 2x, then your b will be equals to, then your b will be equals to minus 3y, then your n will be equals to 3. So first thing to do is to find the values of t1. So look at this. If they say expand and then they don't specify to how many terms, they didn't specify to how many terms. So in this case, you see it says up to number 3. So meaning how many terms are you gonna have in the equation? So if you see that it's 3, that means 4 terms. So if it's 3 there, it means 4 terms. I'll show you just now. So it's up to 4 terms if it's 3 there. So look at this. So the first t1 is equals to a to the power n, a to the power n. So a to the power n, you're gonna say, what is your a? You're gonna have 2x to the power 3, which is the same as 8x cubed. 8x cubed. Then t2 is equals to t2 is equals to n a to the power n minus 1 b. This will be equals to n, which is 3, and then my a, which is 2. So remember, your a is equals to 2x. Then your n, my n is 3 minus 1. Then b is equals to minus 3y. Then when you remove the brackets there, you're gonna multiply everything, all the coefficients, all the numbers. So let's do that. So you're gonna have minus 9y, open bracket, then you're gonna get 2 there. So here you're gonna get a 2. You're gonna get a 2 there. So you're gonna have 2 squared there. Then this will give you, this will be equals to minus 9y times 4 times 4x squared. So let's move this to 3t4. So this will be equals to, so your t2 will be equals to, so if you multiply 9 by 4, you'll get 36. So you're gonna get minus 36. The final answer will be minus 36 minus 6 x squared y. X squared y. So the next one that we're gonna do is your t so T3. So T3 is equals to n open bracket n minus 1 over 2 factorial. So 2 factorial means you have to say 2 times 1. So 2 factorial is the same as saying 2 times 1. And then you've got a to the power n minus 2, and then b squared. So this will be equals to n which is 3, and then 3 minus 1 divided by 2 factorial, which is 2 times 1. And then you've got a, which is, what is your a? So your a is 2x to the power 3 minus 2. And then your b is minus 3 y all squared. Then this will give you a 3 into 2 divided by 2. Then you've got 2x there. And then you're gonna multiply it times 9y. So your final answer here should be, a positive 54. The final answer would be 54 x y squared. Then let's go to the last one. So the last one is T4 is equals to, so T4 will be equals to n open bracket n minus 1 n minus 2 divided by 3 factorial. And then you say a to the power n minus 3 b to the power 3. Okay, then T4 will be equals to 3 into 3 minus 1 3 minus 2 divided by, so this factorial you can find it on your calculator, so you don't have to say 3 times 2 times 1. So factorial, it means you are counting down. So if this was 4, so you're gonna say 4 times the next one, counting down is 3, then times 2 times 1 up to 1. So if in the previous one it was 2 factorial, meaning 2 times 1. Then your a is equals to 2x to the power 3 minus 3. Then b will be equals to, so you see, the reason why I told you that the last one is, the reason why I'm saying the last one will be T4 is because of this. You see, the moment you see 3, so it must match your n. There's the n there, it must be 3. So the moment you see b3 and also a n to the power minus 3, those 3's, the 3 tells you that it's the last term. The last term should be your b. Your b is the one that determines your last term. So use b as a reference to be safe. Use b. B tells you that it's to the power 3. So the moment you see to the power 3, it means you stop. So you'll have minus 3 y cubed. So when you expand this, you're gonna multiply everything out. So when you multiply everything out, you should get minus 27 y cubed as your final answer. So remember, you're gonna multiply this, the bottom one you're gonna get is 6, the top one you'll get 3, then inside there you'll get 2, and then there you'll get a 1. So you're gonna multiply all this to get your answer. If you've got any question, please send